Morning. What's that?
Lion.
Okay. Coloring book. Coloring page.
Yes.
JJ is now about to color the lion. Very good, Joy. What color do you want to put it or apply in the lion? What color? What do you want?
Orange. Orange.
Orange. Okay. So start now.
Yes.
Start. Get this is orange. Oh. Ano? Yan, orange. Yan. Okay, start. Okay, very good. Joy.
Bye-bye.
Sige, nasa ibabaw na. Sige, color the lion with orange.
Subscribe.
Yan. Very good si Joy. Coloring lion. Bye-bye.